How to set automatic message on TikTok. For this, go ahead and open your TikTok app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. From there, tap on the hamburger icon at the very top and go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account. Right here, tap on Switch to Business Account. Then simply go ahead and tap on Next to all of this. Now select a category and tap on Next. You can skip this for now, then tap on Maybe Later. Once you're all set on your business account, tap on the hamburger icon again and go to your business suite. Tap on Auto Message and tap on Open Settings. Right here from Friends, set to Everyone. Now, once your direct messages is also set, simply toggle it on. Here, you'll be able to edit the message. For an example, I've written how can we help and then tap on Submit. Once it is done, you can also go ahead and set keyword auto reply manage and also suggested questions as auto generated in the below. So make sure to go and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.